1, recording. Welcome to Pizza Place. Oh, hi. You've been killed. Welcome to my burger place where I kill people in fun. I'm at the burger restaurant if you want to come see me. Welcome to... I've been sniped. Penry. Pengry. Penis. Monkey Man's real name is Penis. That's fun. That's a known fact. Where did Snowy just go? Snowy, I saw you climb the top of the restaurant. Where'd you go? Also, guys, let me know when you guys get bored of this map, and I'll send in a new, and I'll end the match. Just let me know when you get bored of this map, and I'll give you a new one. I upgraded my health. Yes, you can upgrade stuff. You have to find the red machines. Sir, that's my line. I am Spider Bean. If you look at me, I am literally the Spider Bean. How dare you? All right. Match ended. All right. The headquarters. Hey, motherfucker! I have a gun. By the way, your role, Monkey Man, in the Spider Bean universe, a dumbass. You're like, you're the villain known as the dumbass. First Doc Ock and this guy. Remember when I did this that one time? Spider Bean, Spider Bean, Spider Bean, Spider Bean, Spider Bean, Spider Bean. Spider Spring, Spider Spray, Spider Spray, Spider Spray. I'm dead. You do that voice again, dude. Please. I love that voice. It's a funny voice. We can't stop him. He's worse than Doc Ock. Doc Ock. Dr. Octavius. How dare you, sad face? How dare you murder the Spider Bean? As soon as you get to my crosshairs, I'm gonna shoot. If I sniped you, I got him. You're coming up here, aren't you? Grabbed onto him. You will never, dude. What are you, the Red Goblin or something? You're like, you'll never stop me, Spider-Man. Or Spider-Bean. You never stop me. 'Cause I have ball sack cancer. I shot you right in the butt. How dare you? Spider-Bean. Spider-Bean. Spider-Bean goes through a lot of canon events. No. His death is a canon event every time. I also dropped a baby off a balcony once. Canon event. Every Spider-Bean has gone through it. I'm getting sprayed. Where are you? Alright, I'm gonna end the match and we're gonna go to a different map. Because we must do the map. Remember that one map where you can go under the ground? Yes, we're gonna do that one. Ascension. That's gonna break you. Snowy, play something. Welcome to Bob on Battlefield. From the game Marty. Sup, motherfucker. Marty. Marvin Party. Marvin Party 8. I can't say the real thing. Yes, you can. It's under the bridge. I shouldn't have told you. It's from the air. You have to click on the thing and then do it. Okay, here's how you do it. You just do it. Canon event. Canon event. Every time Spider-Bean dies, canon event. You know, I'll never die. Dude, I can just imagine the, after becoming infamous, the only thing I'm able to hear is, bring me pictures of Spider-Bean. That's all I get to hear. Like, geez, mate, lay off me. I can't have photo shoots all the time. Dun 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 dun. Got him. Did you just eat popcorn? Is that gonna be an excuse? No, I'm lagging. No, that's me. That's Spider Bean. Spider Bean never dies. Like Technoblade. How am I getting shot at? Where are you? What the hell? Do you have aimbot? What the hell? Yeah, my dick is low. Wait, what? I get a boner every time I kill somebody. Yes. And that's called being better. At canon events. Canon event, bit. Don't worry, it's a canon event. I killed. Double kill. You got Spider Bean, but Spider Bean got you. So I got bitten by a radioactive spider, so I became the world's one and only Spider Bean. You're not web slinging, you're grappling. I'm the one web slinging, sir. I'm the one with the superpowers. Grapple. Okay, do. Spider Bean, Spider Bean does whatever a Spider Bean can. I'm getting shot at. Yes, I am. Fuck you. See ya, bitch. See ya. I am the Spider Bean. I'm better at web slinging than you. How many times have you been Dr. Octavius? How many times have you been Doc Ock, huh? How many times? That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Who are you, the Spot? He's the Spot, dude. He's the Spot. He can just climb out of holes. One location, 2 murders. Spider Bean caused, Columbine. No. Got him. I'm just good at the game. I'm good. I'm good at the game. That's just excuses. That's by part of my superpowers. No, I'm too too busy web slinging and beating the crap out of you. By the way, once it strikes 40, we're gonna change map. No, otherwise I'm gonna get gunned down. That'd be nice. Red whore. I'm the greatest at web slinging. I was born with it. Spider bit me on my penis when I was a baby. You were saying? I'm learning. I'm learning. I wouldn't say that, sir. Checking me out. Alright, match ending. Snowy surprisingly won. Yeah, do you want to go to the solar system? I can bring us to the solar system. No. We're not going there. We never go to the solar system. Chess. Alright. We're gonna play a game of chess. Bullet to D4 on your face. Bullet 2 4s. Bullet. I move my bullet to face. By the way, you can't go down too far or you die. It will kill you. Yeah, we know. We made a story where I kidnapped him. It's called I Kidnapped Monkey Man. Monkey Man, where'd you go? I picked him up from school one day, and then he went and disappeared. No, shut up. Silenced.